Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out, 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a lot of summer fun going on right here. Real nice car. White with blue hockey stripes, blue interior, 454 automatic transmission. Headers have been added, aluminum intake has been put on. It's got a rear end of a 373 with Posi. Got power steering, power brakes, dual exhaust, really nice paint. We're gonna go through this thing so you know exactly what you're getting when you get it home. Take a look at this. It's got some upgraded gauges. Just nice, perfect stance. It's sitting on 18-inch Ridlers, great tires, fatties in the back with 40s. Badged up SS, and it's straight from California. Beautiful car. Great driver, runs out real strong, shifts real well, plenty of pull. Paint lays on there good, real good. All right, let's get close. All your chrome is good. All your lights are good in grill. Lower fairing, good shape as well. All your lights are working. Turn signals, brake lights. Hood lines up real good. I'll go with the cowl hood. All your glass is intact, your wipers are working. It's got dual sport mirrors. No flaws in the paint yet that I could see. There's that big 454. Front fender's in good shape. Lines up well to the door. Ridler wheel package. These are 245 40 18. Big tire, plenty of handling. All your badging's good. All your chrome around the windows are good. All your glass on passenger and driver's side is good as well. Fender to door, quarter to door, all line up well. All the chrome around there is good. Rear quarter, good shape. All your lights intact in back. Chrome bumper in the rear is good. Trunk lines up well. Your rear glass is good. All the chrome around there as well. The roof line is great. Passenger rear quarter's nice. No pitting or anything. These are fresh Ridlers. They're really nice. Quarter to door. Lines up good. On the bottom as well. Door to fender, same. Your badging's in good shape. Sport mirror on this side. Antenna intact. Check out the inside. All your seat belts are intact in the rear. Got 6x9s in the back. It's got an aftermarket sound system in there. Headliner's in good shape. Interior's in great shape. Staple shifter, center console. Door panels are good. All your welds are good. All your weather stripping's in great shape. Sill panel. Check out the other door. Nice. No stories. All your carpets are good. Dash pad in good shape. Your sun visors are intact. Steering wheel's good. 13,036 on the odometer. Your heater is working. All your gauges are working. Real clean cabin. Trunk is in good shape. Let's check it out real quick. All your weather stripping in the trunk is done right. Little aftermarket amp back there. Nice. Little water spots, but that's it. Let's fire up. Oh, right up. Oh, let me get it again. Live TV. Radio's working. Gauges are working. Horn is working. Nice sound. Real clean in here. Aluminum radiator. All your belt and hoses, good shape. Your headers are there. Wires are good. Real nice engine. Running really good. gas. So if you're looking to do any financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, 10% minimum down, will go up to 84 months with good rates. If you're anywhere from a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, approvals within 24 hours. Again, 84 months, real good rates. If you need quotes on shipping anywhere in the United States, we are bonded and insured, open transport or enclosed. For quotes, you could text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl, 773-600-0919. We have over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our pricing, description, video, and pictures are online. If you have any questions on those cars, you could call me. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5. Saturday from 10 to 6, by appointment only. If you have any questions or want to get an appointment, call me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Hope you enjoyed this 68 Camaro. Let's get it home by you. Have a great day.